What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson, DCIV, and today I am going to be hands-free because on the camera, Marco, show yourself.
Yeah.
Marco is a buddy of mine, one of my oldest buddy. Today we're gonna go on his first time urbex, so let's get some drones cracking. So we are there at the Glassfactory. So first, normally you don't see this is on my back. This is my normal backpack. We're gonna cross the field. So let's get it. We find some people here on the road. Who are these bums? You cannot find the way in. It's hard to find. How are you doing? Yeah, man.
Right?
How are you doing?
Hi.
Ja. Thomas man. Hey.
Hi.
Hey man. Hello.
Hello.
So,
We were here
Yeah?
45 minutes ago, but a guy stopped here and said, you cannot enter through it, you must enter through...
No, through here. We can go here and then we go to the site. We'll find it.
We are going to take
Oh, you don't have the stuff yet?
No, it's on my car here.
Grab it. We'll wait.
So we take it.
Pas de problème. Ah vite hein, rapide hein.
As you can see, we got urbexers, we got fellow actors here, it's gonna be a busy day. Ça, je m'en doute bien.
Le café de Bando, je voudrais une bière s'il vous plaît.
Avec plaisir, with pleasure.
Ouh là là.
Hop, perfect draft.
Salut.
Qu'est-ce qu'il en prend parce que j'en aurais pas assez hein.
The motor off.
First repair of the day.
Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. 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 Dance with that groove, all you got to do is move. Dance with move. All you got to do is move. All you got to do is move. Do is move.
And this is the moment where shit kinda hit the fan. Well, we got out of it, but so what happened? One of our French buddies, he did the roof dive and he crashed, and instead of sliding down, it stopped at the end at the ledge. So, as normal, we retrieve each other's drones. They got me out of the pinch a couple of times and vice versa, so very good to have these people around. So this time I was like, let me try with my drone. So first we tried the grappling hook, give it a couple tries with a longer cord and then later with a shorter cord as well. As you can see, it looks good, but the position where it is was surrounded by many other things, so it was quite hard to pull it out. And it was quite windy, so all in all, that was not successful. But same as with flying, if you at first don't succeed, try again. So we tried different length, different approaches. Here I introduce actually a little bit of sound. That's one of the cameras downstairs filming. But like I said, it was quite windy, hard to get, but I really did my best. I got a grab a couple times. I moved it just a few inches. I could see it change position, but in the end, it couldn't have end means. So what do? Fabrice, the one who got the drone stuck, he was going to grab a ladder. I was doubting that it was going to reach it, and since my drone was next to him in the end, as you can see in a couple seconds, and that was actually, by the way, because my LiPo just got unplugged. In the previous attempt, I had my straps already ripped, so there was not much left. So, continue, Fabrice was going to grab a ladder, and me, stubborn as I am, just started to go climbing, because I didn't want to wait for him, and secondly, I was very doubtful that the ladder was going to reach it. So I went, and Marco, as a good friend, he was kinda against it. He said it once, but then he knows me as a stubborn guy. So all he did was cheer me on and film me from downstairs. Here you can see me rescuing my life with a drone, with the pleasure, because it was properly. I took my time. You know, yes, I put my life on the risk, but I'm not an idiot. I have 2 or 3 points stuck, so I cannot. Even if one point breaks, I always have a plan B and C. So eventually I retrieved the drones, and when I was already on the high section, I told the guys to call them that they wouldn't need to retrieve the ladder, but they were already on their way, and they were like, fuck it, let's just bring it. So here you can see me finally reaching the drones. And on my way back, I wanted to drop off the drones safely first, so they grabbed a piece of foam and I threw them down one by one. I put the LiPos in my pocket and climbed downstairs. Almost I was downstairs, they came with the ladder. They gave me just a courtesy climb, so only the last piece I climbed down by ladder. We checked actually the ladder next to the pole and we were short for at least 4 or 5 meters. Yeah, so first location done. Kind of broke my drones. I had already like a few repairs, but that's how it is. We're gonna go to the second location. Let's get in cracking. Location 2. Let's go.
More resques. Allez, let's go, Thomas. On y va.
We found more lost urbexers.
Take one back for the next one.
Actually, the way out when you're going back, this is a lot easier way than to climb over the bushes. Remember this. So, location 2, 2 towers. Let's dive some towers.
ਮਿੱਠੇ ਪਾਨ ਦੀ ਗਲੋਰੀ ਲੱਖਾ ਸੂਟ ਦਾ ਲਹਾਰੀ ਫੱਟੇ ਮਾਰਤੀ ਫਿਲੋਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਮੇਲ ਮੇਲ ਕੇ ਕੂੰਦ ਫੰਦ ਕੇ ਚੱਕ ਚਕੋਡੇ ਜਾਵੇ ਭੋਲਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਮਾਲੀ ਉਹ ਹਰਿਆਲੀ ਜੰਗਲ ਵਾਲੀ ਤੂੰ ਤੇ ਹਰ ਗਾਲੀ ਪੇ ਤਾਲੀ ਉਸकी ਕਦਮ ਕਦਮ ਰਖਵਾਲੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਰੋਗ ਰਾਜ ਕੀ ਸੋਚ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੈ ਉਦਰਾਲੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੈ ਨਾਮ ਰੱਬ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਸਾਈਂ ਅਲੀ 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 ਮਿੱਠੇ ਪਾਨ ਦੀ ਗਲੋਰੀ ਲੱਖਾ ਸੂਟ ਦਾ ਲਹਾਰੀ ਫੱਟੇ ਮਾਰਤੀ ਫਿਲੋਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਮੇਲ ਮੇਲ ਕੇ ਕੂੰਦ ਫੰਦ ਕੇ ਚੱਕ ਚਕੋਡੇ ਜਾਵੇ
ਪਾਨ ਦੀ ਗਲੋਰੀ ਲੱਖਾ ਸੂਟ ਦਾ ਲਹਾਰੀ ਫੱਟੇ ਮਾਰਤੀ ਫਿਲੋਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਮੇਲ ਮੇਲ ਕੇ ਕੂੰਦ ਫੰਦ ਕੇ ਚੱਕ ਚਕੋਡੇ ਜਾਵੇ ਭੋਲਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਮਾਲੀ ਉਹ ਹਰਿਆਲੀ ਜੰਗਲ ਵਾਲੀ ਤੂੰ ਤੇ ਹਰ ਗਾਲੀ ਪੇ ਤਾਲੀ ਉਸकी ਕਦਮ ਕਦਮ ਰਖਵਾਲੀ ਐਵੇਂ ਰੋਗ ਰਾਜ ਕੀ ਸੋਚ ਸੋਚ ਕੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੈ ਉਦਰਾਲੀ ਤੂੰ ਲੈ ਨਾਮ ਰੱਬ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਸਾਈਂ ਅਲੀ 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 ਮਿੱਠੇ ਪਾਨ ਦੀ ਗਲੋਰੀ ਲੱਖਾ ਸੂਟ ਦਾ ਲਹਾਰੀ ਫੱਟੇ ਮਾਰਦੀ ਫਿਲੋਰੀ ਜੁਗਨੀ ਮੇਲ ਮੇਲ ਕੇ ਕੂੰਦ ਬੰਦ ਕੇ ਚੱਕ ਚਕੋਡੇ ਜਾਵੇ
did you really fly? And we did it crash, and we did fly for sure. So motherfuckers think they can walk their own way. I said, let me try the short route. I said, yeah, but maybe we cannot get there. Now I'm waiting. In life, you gotta take the short route. Sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it's not, but at least you know it.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.